Hey family, so in honor of it being a whole year since the first video me and Holly posted together last year, I decided to update y'all on my 5-minute makeup video. Hey, what's wrong? She's so shy. But yes, so I updated my 5-minute makeup routine, so I thought I'd share that with y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in and for sticking with us for a whole year, and cheers to the future. All right, so I start off with my moisturizer and my foundation, Fenty, and I mix them together. I do just a little bit of moisturizer and about 2 pumps of my foundation, and you can do more if you want more coverage. So I mix those together, and I'm gonna smooth it over my face, and my face is clean. And I like to do this because I don't like to do a whole lot of foundation, but I just want like a light coverage. Or you can also use the BB cream, but this is how I do it. I'm washing my hands. I'm drying my hands. I'm looking for my next thing. I'm taking a long time. Okay, so here is my eyebrow makeup. It's the Unbelievable Brow by L'Oreal. So first I comb out my eyebrows with the spoolie. And then I'll use a little bit of this. I don't need a whole lot. But I use the other side of that spoolie to add it to my eyebrow. And then I comb through it again with the spoolie. I comb up and then down and then up again, just to mix it in all the way. And then repeat on the other eyebrow. A little goes a long way with this product, but I like it a lot. And they have different shades. I got mine off of Amazon. Just check to make sure that your eyebrows are even, or not if you don't want an even look, if you want to keep it original. So I got my Fenty sticks, and today I'm using the brown color because I just want something that has a little pop to it, nothing too dramatic. And I smooth the pencil over my eyebrow. I love these because you can use them as eyeshadow, highlighter. You can use them on your lips. They're like an all-in-one product. I love Fenty. This is not sponsored, by the way. My bronzer, I love to use bronzer year-round. This one is by Milani. I just smooth it all over my face. Give me a little tan look. I do have 2 shades. One for the winter, that's a little bit lighter. And the one for the summertime, that's darker. I want to say I got these at Target, the bronzer. But I'm sure you can get them off of Amazon too. My highlight by Fenty. Hit those cheekbones, brow bone, and tip of my nose, above the eyebrow. Eyeliner, I think this is e.l.f. Pretty sure I got this at Target. So I like to do just the ends of my eyelid for like an everyday look. This is a daytime look that I'm going for versus like a nighttime formal look. And here goes the e.l.f. mascara. A little shea butter, smooth that out on my lips. Rub it in on my hands. And show off my bling. Shout out to my husband for hooking me up for Christmas. And take off my curly blue satin bonnet. And that's it. Thank y'all for tuning in.